Good morning everyone. My name is Deepika from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. I am here with the topic of organic chemistry and the unit name is diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt discovered by John Peter Gray GF is equal to AR Na positive Cl negative. Characteristic of benzene diazonium salt. A. It can explain the instability of the compound. B. It can explain the ionic salties in nature. C. It can show substitution coupling reaction. Structure of benzene diazonium salt. Gray structure benzene diazonium chloride. Limitation of Gray structure. One nitrogen atom is pentavalent, which is not possible. It cannot explain the ionic salties in nature. It cannot show substitution coupling reaction. Kekulé structure, that is benzene bond and double bond NCl benzene diazonium chloride. Limitation of Kekulé structure. It cannot explain the instability of the compound. It cannot explain the ionic saltage in nature. Bloom strand structure. Benzene diazonium chloride. Advantage of Bloom strand structure. It can explain the instability of the compound. It can explain the ionic saltage in nature. It can show substitution coupling reaction. Next, preparation of benzene diazonium salt. Diazotization reaction. Aniline in the presence of NaNO2 HCl 0 to 5 degrees Celsius diazotization. It gives benzene diazonium chloride. Mechanism of diazotization reaction. Generation of electrophile O double bond N double bond O OH in presence of H plus gives N double bond O OH2 H2O minus H2O, it gives nitrosonium ion. Attack of electrophile on aniline. Aniline in the presence of NO nitrosonium ion, it will give benzene N2 and NO. In the presence of H plus, it gives N2OH on the benzene ring. On the presence of H plus, it gives benzene diazonium chloride. Reaction of benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of KCN give benzonitrile. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of Ki give iodobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of CuCl HCl give chlorobenzene. And in the presence of Gattermann, it gives fluorobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride, and at Na positive NO2 negative, it gives nitrobenzene. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of SnCl2 HCl or Na2SO3, it gives phenylhydrazine. In the presence of ZnHCl, it gives aniline. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of Gomberg-Bachmann reaction, it gives biphenyl. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of Na3ASO3 CuSO4 Bart reaction heat, it gives phenyl arsenic acid. Benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of H3PO2 Cu plus heat, it gives benzene. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of H2OH plus, it gives phenol, and phenol at the presence of zinc dust ZNO, it gives benzene. Next, de-diazotization reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of H3PO2 Cu plus benzene Cu plus heat, it gives benzene. Mechanism of diazotization reaction. General of phenyl radical and abstraction of H free radical from H3PO2. Benzene diazonium chloride at presence of Cu plus 2, it give N benzene at N2 minus N2, it give phenyl radical. At the presence of H3PO2, it give benzene plus H2PO2. Number 2, attack of electrophile on H2PO2 radical on fresh benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of H2PO2, it gives benzene N2 plus H2PO3 PO2. Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction, in this benzene diazonium chloride give chlorobenzene. Mechanism of Sandmeyer reaction. Generation of CuCl2 minus ion CuCl H plus C minus Cl minus, it gives ClCuCl plus H plus. Attack of CuCl2 minus ion on fresh benzene diazonium chloride, it gives benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of ClCuCl minus CuCl2 N2 minus N2, it gives ClCuCl and it gives chlorobenzene. Next, Gattermann reaction. Here benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of CuHCl, Gattermann reaction, it gives chlorobenzene. Mechanism of Gattermann reaction. Generation of CuCl minus ion. Here Cu at the presence of HCl gives Cu negative Cl positive plus H plus. Attack of CuCl minus ion on fresh benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of CuCl, it gives benzene N2 minus N2, it gives phenyl radical. At the presence of ClCu, it gives chlorobenzene plus copper. Gomberg-Bachmann reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of NaOH and Gomberg-Bachmann reaction, it gives biphenyl. Mechanism of Gomberg-Bachmann reaction. At the presence benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of OH minus N2, it gives minus N2OH, it gives phenyl radical, and after that at the presence of benzene it gives biphenyl minus H2, it gives phenyl. Phenyl hydrogen from benzene diazonium. Benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of SnCl2 or HCl or Na2SO3, it gives phenyl hydrogen. Next we will see coupling reaction. So mechanism of coupling reaction: attack of strong electrophile on benzene ring of aniline and generation of weak electrophile. Electrophile plus it gives azodide. Factor affecting coupling reaction of aniline with BDC: electron withdrawing group, electrophile plus electron releasing group. Presence of EWG or BDC increases their electrophile nature. Presence of EDG or in aniline increases their nucleophilic nature. Effect of pH: in highly basic medium, the benzene diazonium chloride converted into azonates and thus the free BDC is no longer be freely available for reaction with aniline. In highly acidic medium, the protonation of NH2 group of aniline increases and thus the plus R effect of NH2 group decreases. So the rate of coupling reaction decreases. Hence the optimum pH required for coupling reaction is 4.5. 4 to 5. Electrophilic substitution reaction of phenol coupling reaction. Phenol plus benzene diazonium chloride at the presence of pH 9 to 10 basic medium, it gives azodide. Next, mechanism of coupling reaction. Attack of strong electrophile on benzene ring of phenol and generation of weak electrophile. Electrophile, it gives azodide. Factor affecting coupling reaction of phenol with BDC. Electron withdrawing group plus electron releasing group gives azonates. Presence of electron withdrawing group in BDC increases their electrophilic nature. Presence of ERG in phenol increases their nucleophilic structure. Effect of pH: in highly basic medium, the ionization of phenol increases and thus the effect of OH group increases. But the BDC converted into azonate and thus the free BDC is no longer be freely available for reaction with ionized phenol. In highly acidic medium, the protonation of OH group of phenol increases and thus the plus R effect of OH group decreases, so the rate of coupling reaction decreases. So the rate of coupling reaction decreases, hence the optimum pH required for coupling reaction is 9 to 10. Thank you.